Hello everyone. Today we shall look into remove filters function. Remove filters function, it clears the filters from the specified tables or columns. It clears the filters from specified tables or columns. It could be used to clear filters, but it could not return a table. In all function, it could return a table, but in remove filters, it cannot return a table. The all function and remove filters, it has this major difference. Remove filters only removes the filters, but it does not return a table. And this function is not supported in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. I'll give you an example. Here you could see that I have brand, and we have the total sales, which is sum of sales, and I have written the all sales measure, which is calculate total sales, and in the filter argument I have written the all sales. And the percentage sales calculation, we divide total sales with all sales because we want the total sales percentage like composition depending on the brand. This is how percentage sales is calculated. We could remove the filters similar to the all sales by using remove filters function also. I'll click on the measure table. I'll create a new measure where I'll write the measure for remove filters. I'll write remove filters 1 equal to, I'll write calculate. In the expression we'll write total sales. Okay, in the filter argument I'll write remove filters. Okay, in the table name I could provide table name which is sales. Okay, I'll close the bracket, and I'll close the bracket for calculate. Here what I have done is I have just applied remove filters for table so that it could remove all the filters which are acted and give us the output. Once I'm selecting the measure in the table, here you could see that it is just acting similar to the all sales by removing all the filters which are applied. Okay, and also we could create similarly the percentage sales. I will show you the same by using remove filters measure. I'll write percentage sales using remove filters. Okay, here we can apply a divide function where the numerator is our total sales and the denominator is our remove filters one measure. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis. I'll bring this measure into our table. Okay, I'll bring this measure into our table. Here you could see the percentages are same as the percentage sales for all sales. As I said that all sales and remove filters, they work similarly except that all returns a table and remove filters only removes, but it could not return a table. And let us take one more example where instead of table I have these two columns, country and distributor. And as you could see that total sales is sum of sales, and with respect to all sales to measure, here you could see that in all sales, instead of table, in all function I have used sales country and sales distributor, these two columns which are present in the table. Okay, now let us achieve this same condition by using remove filters function. I'll create a new measure. Okay, I'll rename it as remove filters 2. I'll write remove filters 2. Okay, I'll write calculate. In the expression I'll write total sales. Okay, in the filter condition what I'll do is I'll write remove filters. In the column name 1 I'll write country, sales country. In the column name 2 I'll write distributor. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis of remove filters and I'll close the parenthesis of calculate. Here we have written the total sales, which is our expression, and here we have the provide the filter argument as remove filters with two columns in it instead of table name, as we want to remove the filters from the respective columns. Okay, now I'll bring the measure into the table. Here you could see how it works, which is similar to the all sales, and we could calculate the percentage sales by using divide function as I shown you earlier. So I hope remove filters is clear, which functions like a all function, and it helps us remove filters. Please practice. This is all for now, and we shall meet in the next video.